Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Cupid Pusheen for Valentine's Day. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body, which is going to be on an angle. Let's start on the right, and let's draw a small angle for the top of the head. Then a curve up for the ear. And the same for the other one. Now from the right side, let's curve it down. Now let's hop back up to the top left and let's draw a curve up like this. Then from the end, let's curve it down and in. Then let's add a U shape for the foot. Another angle down. Another foot down with the curve. And now let's bring an angle down to the other side, leaving a small gap. And now let's add one more foot with another curve. And when you're all done, you should have the shape of the body on an angle like this. Now let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start on the top of the head and draw a curve down and back up. Now the same thing on the right and on the left. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve down and over to the left and then over to the right. Now let's draw the eyes with circles on either side of the mouth. And now let's color them both in black. Next, let's move to the right side of the face and draw two curves for the whiskers. And then the same thing on the left side here. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move up on the top left and draw the wing. Let's move up on the top left and let's draw a curve up on top of the body and back down. Then another curve underneath. Another larger one and bring it back in to close it off. And next, let's erase that overlapping line inside at the top. Now on the right side of the wing, let's draw one more curve up to the top of the back. Next, let's hop down and draw the hand holding the bow and arrow. Let's start underneath the face towards the bottom and let's draw a curve here for the hand. Next, let's draw the arrow. Underneath the hand, let's draw an angle down along the left side of the other hand and extend it down like this. Now let's hop back up and above the hand, let's follow that same angle upwards for the end of the arrow. Now at the end, let's draw 3 V-shaped points. And now at the bottom of the line, let's draw a heart for the tip of the arrow. And that's it for the arrow. Let's draw the bow next. Let's start by drawing a curve down underneath the hand and back up like this. Now for the ends, let's curve it back down. And then a curve underneath to close it off. And lastly, let's add the strings to the bow. Let's start underneath the top hand and draw an angle down to the end of the bow, and the same thing for the top side. Lastly, let's move over to the left side of the body and add the tail. Let's start with the curve up, bringing it back around into the body. And now let's add 4 curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for Cupid Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!